In this video, I just want to demonstrate that the ID Core CarPlay unit is connected to this iPhone 15 Pro. It's currently running on iOS 17.1.1, and you can see in the background we've got some Spotify music there playing. It's queued up on the phone. If we go back to settings, if I go to CarPlay, ID Core, and toggle the disconnect, you'll see it goes off. There's no cable connected to the phone because it's currently on the wireless CarPlay. Toggle that back on again and we will reconnect. There we go, happy days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for some more CarPlay and ID Core videos on how to operate the system and connect, and don't forget to leave your comments in the section below.